Trying a cold carrot again. Is that a cold carrot? Bite it. Bite it. Yum, yum, yum. Mm. Cold carrot. Cold carrots. Pretty good. Yeah. As good as all the raspberries you're eating. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. I love you. You can tell which way the camera's pointed. Because he's looking at himself. Is that you? Is that Kanan? Is that Kanan? Okay. Okay. Oh, carrot. Carrot. Oh, I see that.